It's a cloudy morning in Varthur. I suddenly stopped by to watch the amazing technique of hunting catfish by painted stork. Look how it fixed its aim inside the shallow water and crucified the catfish. You will see the joy in its movement afterwards. Looks like it managed its meal for the day. Also notice how careful it is balancing itself so that the fish won't get dropped in the water. Now a grey heron came to the picture, which generally aims for the prey in shallow water body. This time it lost its patience looking at the stork. It terrified until it gets one. See how it is eagerly looking for the opportunity in case the fish drop to the ground. See, it also pretend that it is not looking at the stork, and when the stork suddenly stumbled, the heron just shattered. Now it was extremely absurd when two storks caught fish and roamed in front of the heron. You can see the disappointment in its eyes. It still waited to snatch one of the fishes from stork, but in vain. Now it came to a phase when the juvenile is trying the same method instead of learning how to catch fish, but both the stork did not share the food. It means until a chick learn how to fly, their parents will feed them. Once it starts flying, it must learn the hunting technique to survive. It applies for all the birds. Because of the big type, they catch fishes like a tongs or chimta. Another thing to notice, unlike kingfisher or shrikes, painted stork doesn't bait the prey to death, but it waits for the fish to die without water then swallow. Thanks for watching guys.